So Raphael, Hoosiers with Down syndrome are among those in line to get the coronavirus vaccine. But as of now, those who care for them are not on that priority list unless they meet the state's age requirements.
It's a big issue for so many families in our state. This morning, WRTV's Kelsey Anderson is talking with two moms waiting for their turn.
I talked to two mothers who both have sons with Down syndrome. They tell me their lives have changed drastically over the last year, hardly ever leaving their house to make sure that that virus doesn't get to their family.
We've taken quarantine very seriously for the last almost year. None of us want to get sick, and you don't know how sick you're going to be. Is it going to be you don't feel good for 2 weeks and you're done, or is it much more significant than that?
Natalie Palin and Sherry Thomas say their lives look very different today than before COVID-19.
We've been trying to do as much as we can to protect our child.
Palin's son is 6 and can't get vaccinated because he's not old enough. So Palin and Down Syndrome Indiana are urging health officials to open the vaccine up to family members and caretakers of those with Down syndrome.
And that would just be another layer of protection that we can, feel more comfortable. And my husband's been terrified of bringing home COVID from work.
As for Thomas, her son Cooper is 31, so he can get vaccinated once it opens up to him. But she says if her household and his community center had that extra layer of protection, it would be huge for Cooper and a weight lifted off her shoulders.
You don't want him to be sick. You don't want him to be in the hospital, because him in the hospital without me, I can't even imagine what that would be like. And so, and of course, there's the worst things that could happen. I can't imagine life without Cooper. I can't imagine his life without me.
Now, I did reach out to the Indiana State Department of Health to see what their thoughts are on this request from Down Syndrome Indiana. That was on Monday afternoon, and I still have not heard back from them. Now, we can expect a press conference later today from Dr. Christina Box and Governor Holcomb. We'll, of course, stream that live for you on the WRTV News app. Working for you, Kelsey Anderson, WRTV.